Good morning, students. Welcome to Chemistry chapter, grade 7, chapter number 5, acids, bases, and salts. In our daily life, we use a large number of edible substances. What do you mean by edible? Which can be eaten. So, substances which can be eaten are called edible substances, such as lemon, baking powder, tamarind, common salt, sugar, curd, and vinegar. You might have observed vinegar near fast food center where they add a transparent liquid like substance called vinegar. Some of these substances taste sour, some taste bitter, some taste sweet, and some taste salty. Acids, bases, and salts are the three important groups of chemical substances that are used by us in different ways. Some of the acids, bases, and salts occur in nature and then and they can be made artificially in factories also. Let us go through some of the edible substances and their tastes. Substances like lemon juice is sour in taste, orange juice is sour in taste, vinegar is sour in taste, curd sour, tamarind sour, sugar is sweet, common salt is salty, amla is sour in taste, baking powder is bitter in taste, grapes sometimes they are sweet and sometimes they are sour. What do you understand by acids and bases? The word acid has been derived from a Latin word acidus, which means sour. Sour is pronounced as sour. Thus, all sour substances essentially contain acids. Substances like lemon juice, orange juice, unripe mango, or we call kacha mango, and curd taste sour. They taste sour because they contain substances called acids in them. The chemical nature of such a substance is acidic. The acids in these substances are natural acids. Let us go through some of the artificial acids, which are strong acids and which are weak acids. Hydrochloric acid, formula HCl, nitric acid HNO3, sulfuric acid H2SO4, hydrobromic acid HBr, hydroiodic acid HI, perchloric acid HClO4, chloric acid HClO3. These are strong acids. Substances like oxalic acid, sulfurous acid, phosphoric acid, nitrous acids, benzoic acid, acetic acid, and formic acid, which are available in ants, they are called weak acids. Acids are substances that taste sour and are corrosive in nature. It turns blue litmus paper to red. These substances are chemically acidic in nature. Example, orange juice, curd, vinegar, hydrochloric acid, etc. Let us learn about bases. Bases are substances that in aqueous solution are slippery or soapy in nature and soapy to touch and bitter in taste. It turns red litmus paper to blue. These substances are chemically basic in nature. Example, soap, ammonium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, etc. Let us recapitulate again what is acid, what is base, and how salts are formed. Chemical compounds found naturally in plants or derived from minerals are called acids, which are sour in taste. Example, citric acid, sulfuric acid, etc. The sour taste of many fruits and vegetables, lemon for instance, is due to various types of acids present in them. The word acid is derived from a Latin word which means sour. The uses are manufacture of dyes, drugs, paints, fertilizer as a food preservative in soft drinks in cooking. Bases, they are oxides or hydroxides of metals. Soluble bases are called alkali. I repeat, bases which are soluble in water are called alkalis. All alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkalis. Example, sodium hydroxide, copper oxide. They are bitter in taste and soapy to touch. Seawater and detergents are some examples of substances that are basic. Manufacture of soap, batteries, and preparation of mortar are the uses of bases. When acids combine with bases, salts are formed. They are ionic compounds formed when an acid reacts with base. Example, sodium chloride, which is a common salt which you take every day in your curries and curd rice. Next, zinc chloride is another salt. What are the uses of salts? As food preservative, in freezing mixture, in cooking food, in manufacture of fertilizers. It means that it has no acids in it. It is bitter in taste. We are talking about base. Bases are bitter in taste, and if you prepare a solution of baking soda in water and rub it between your fingers, it feels soapy. Substances like these, which are bitter in taste and feel soapy on touch, are known as bases. The chemical nature of such substances is said to be basic. All the acids mentioned in table occur in nature. In the picture, you can see some of the acids and their sources: lemon, tomato, grapes, lactic acid, that is curd, or ant. Formic acid comes from ant. Malic acid, that is from apple. Vinegar is an example of acetic acid. Let us go through some the list or the table of acid where it is found, or the source where it is. Acetic acid is found in vinegar. Formic acid is in ant sting. Citric acid is found in citrus fruits like orange, lemons, etc. Lactic acid we already mentioned from curd before. Oxalic acid from spinach or leafy vegetables. Ascorbic acid, that is vitamin C, is available from amla and citrus fruits. Tartaric acid from tamarind, grapes, unripe mangoes, etc. Here is the list of some of the strong acids and bases. Strong acid, weak acid, strong base and weak base, where you are supposed to learn in 7th grade itself. Hydrochloric acid, HCl, sulfuric acid, H2SO4, nitric acid, HNO3 are strong acids. See here I have given you only 3 acids where you can learn easily. Hydrochloric acid, HCl, sulfuric acid, H2SO4, nitric acid, HNO3 are strong acids. Let us go through the weak acids below. Benzoic C6H5COOH acid, boric acid H3BO3, ethanoic acid CH3COOH, hydrocyanic acid HCN. Strong base, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, barium hydroxide are strong bases. Weak bases are ammonia NH3, alanine C3H5O2NH2, methylamine CH3NH2, pyridine C5H5N. Just if you remember ammonia as weak base, that's enough, NH3. Strong bases, if you remember sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide is enough. Strong acids, you can learn hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid, first 3. Weak acids, if you learn boric acid and benzoic acid, it's enough. Now let us go through bases and their sources. Name of the base and where it is found. Calcium hydroxide is found in lime water. Ammonium hydroxide is found in window cleaner. Sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide is found in soap. Magnesium hydroxide in magnesium or milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia is nothing but magnesium oxide mixed with water. Natural indicators around us. What are indicators? Indicators are the substances which are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic in nature. It is not safe to taste every substance to find out whether it is acidic or basic. Therefore, we have some special substances that have different colors in acidic and basic mediums. These substances are known as indicators. So, indicators are substances which are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic in nature. Let us come back to the screen. The indicators change their color when added into a solution containing an acidic or basic substance. Some naturally occurring indicators are litmus, which are obtained from lichen, an algae, turmeric, China rose petals, and red cabbage juice. These indicators show different colors in acidic and basic media. They are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic in nature. You can see on the screen naturally occurring indicators like turmeric, litmus. You can see blue litmus paper and red litmus paper. You can also see China rose petals. What is the effect of indicator in acid and base? Let us go through. For today, you have to learn red litmus paper, which is originally red in color, has no change in acid, but it changes to blue color when it is dipped in basic solution. Blue litmus has original color as blue, it changes to red in acidic solution and has no change in basic solution. Turmeric is naturally yellow, it has no change in acid, but if you mix it with some base like surf water, you have your detergent powder solution. You can do this experiment at home itself. Make some solution with your detergent powder in your house and then add little turmeric and observe what color it changes to. So we can say that soap water or detergent water is a base. Red cabbage solution or red cabbage is purple naturally, and in acid it is reddish in color and it turns to greenish yellow in base solution. Phenolphthalein is colorless and it is colorless in acid and turns to pink in base. Methyl orange, naturally it is orange in color. It changes to red color in acid and changes to yellow color in base. Onion, it is not applicable. Its color it has different colors. It has no change in acidic medium and its smell vanishes in basic medium. Vanilla, its color is not applicable here. No definite color, generally white in color. It has no change in acid and its smell vanishes in base. That's all for today. And if you have not understood, repeat the video and watch it thoroughly and answer the questions which I am going to give you in the afternoon. Thank you.